This is Dyson OnTrac headphones. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this headphone with your TV. Switch this headphone on from this button. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn this to Bluetooth. You can see the light is showing us blue color, looking for available Bluetooth device. I'm going to put it on my ear for us to connect this. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to switch the TV on. Go to your TV settings, select the TV settings, then scroll down to sound out. Select sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to scroll to the side to Bluetooth. Scroll down to device list, select enter, and now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. It found OnTrac. So it picked up this headphone, select OnTrac, and it's connected. Audio OnTrac is connected, and depending on the program you want to watch. So now we want to go to YouTube. This headphone, if you bring it out from your ear, if you bring it down from your ear, the audio will pause, the audio will stop. If you put it back on, the audio will start. So this is how to connect this headphone. Once you bring the headphone out from your ear, the noise control and the equalizer will go off. Once you put it on, I'm going to put it on now, then you see that the noise control is back on. The noise control is back on. Noise control and equalizer is back on. It will highlight, will show you white light and white light to show you that it's on. If you remove it and the headphone is removed and the light here is gone off. So this is how to connect this, and also on your phone you can see the battery level for this headphone. You can select specific equalizer you want. From this button, if you push it up, increase the volume, switch, pause and play from this button. Push it down, you pause the music, push it again, the music will start. And see the audio. This is brilliant headphones, Dyson OnTrac. Thank you very much. This headphone deserves your attention. Thank you.